have one more and possibly my last update on the Tiffany & Co. and Nike collaboration collection. As you guys saw, I ordered the silver Dubrae for the sneakers. Today I called Tiffany & Co. and spoke to someone and they said that that order was canceled. I'm here to share that I will not actually be receiving the Dubraes for my sneakers. I thought that was going to be my last update. I also have a quality issue that I need to address, so make sure that you watch this video all the way through so you can hear that part. Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com, here with my final video. I'm pretty sure this is going to be my final video on the collaboration between Tiffany and Nike. In my video where I reviewed the 1837 Air Force Ones from the collaboration between Nike and Tiffany & Co., I mentioned that I had also purchased the dubrays, but that they haven't arrived yet. Well, a few days after that, I received an email saying that my order was actually canceled. The person that I spoke to on the phone said that even though I had made an order and got an email saying that my order was received, that the purchase of the silver pieces from the collection were much like the purchase of the sneakers. You would provide your information, you'd get an email saying that they received your information, but it didn't actually guarantee that you were going to get those pieces. So much like with the sneakers, you would have to wait to see if you got an email saying that the item was shipped, and that way you know, okay, you purchased it, it's yours, it's on its way, otherwise you were not able to acquire the piece. So after that call ended, I just kind of made peace with the fact that I was going to have to wear sneakers with a blank face, that's how I described it, that blank leather Dubrae on the laces, and just kind of, moved on. But a couple of weeks ago, I received an email from a representative from Tiffany & Co. They left me a voicemail saying that they had accidentally canceled my order, but that there was a set of dubrays available for me if I wanted it. So I called back and they confirmed that the cancellation was accidental, that they did receive my information and had set aside a set of dubrays for me, and that if I wanted it, I would just have to provide my credit card information over the phone. So I did that, and that is why today's video is an unboxing of the silver dubrays from the Tiffany and Nike collaboration collection. If you are new here, the way that I do my unboxings and review is that in the first part, I'll cover a little bit about the brand, the particular item that I'm interested in, a little bit of history sometimes, what drew me to the collection or the piece, why I was interested in purchasing it, what the purchasing process was like, and things like that. But I've already covered that in previous videos, so if you're interested in hearing some of that, I will link to those videos down in the description box below. And then I come back with my final thoughts and actual review of the item or pieces that I purchased. If you are new here, this is a perfect opportunity for me to introduce myself. My name is JESSICAYFLORES, and I am a lifestyle blogger and YouTuber. I cover everything from fashion to beauty, DIY projects, home decor, luxury, family, travel, and so much more. So if any of those topics interest you, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can set up your notifications. I make new videos every week, and if you have your notifications on, you won't miss a thing. All right, so let's get to the unboxing and the lacing of the sneakers with my new Dubrae set. here they are with the dubrays on, and I gotta tell you, I am super happy with my purchase. I just felt like these shoes really needed something else because those blank pieces of leather were not it. It just looked like it was missing something. I personally, as I've mentioned this before, I personally feel like this should have come with the sneakers to begin with. I think it was missing it from the beginning, and it should have just come with this extra piece of silver, and I would have been so much happier paying a little bit more but having them already come like this. At least the leather should have come, you know, embossed or debossed with a silver check mark, the T's, the 2 T's, something. That just blank piece of leather was just very lazy to me. That's my personal opinion. So having these on them now, I feel like, okay, now they're complete. Now this is what they should have looked like from the beginning. I'm happy with this. Now, I mentioned that I have a quality issue that I need to address, and that is with these tips. Now, when I first opened up these boxes, it felt metallic to me. It felt like a metal, but this is clearly coated with something, and I don't know why. I might have had a little bit of alcohol on my hands, but it's not like I was soaking. I used hand sanitizers before unboxing the video, but I just don't understand why this started to peel. These tips of the laces, it started to it felt like it was melting in my fingers as I was lacing it through. I don't know if it was like the warmth of my fingertips because I was, as I was working the laces through, which was a little bit difficult to lace through because these laces are, kind of fat and it's hard to get through the lace holes right here. It just felt like it was melting a little bit in my fingertips and peeling a little bit. And that is what I show here with the little black remnants that were left on my desk. Now, I've put them down. This is, a couple of days after filming the unboxing portion, and they feel fine. So it must have been just from the warmth and, rubbing of my fingertips trying to get these shoes laces. But why is it doing that? I don't know. If I've said this before, I am not a sneakerhead. I would never call myself that. I am not worthy. But if you are a sneakerhead or just have a lot of experience with these special Nike collaborations, and if you have sneakers that have these metallic tips to them, I'm sorry, I forget what they're called, but let me know if you've had this issue before, just melting or peeling. It's very disappointing with what I've paid, with the caliber of the brands involved. I was actually very happy with the quality of these sneakers, even though they were blanks, and I was unhappy with that part, and I felt like it should have had more silver in it to begin with. I was disappointed with this part. There's no reason why. I was disappointed with that. But yeah, I'm still happy that I made this purchase. I love these sneakers. I think they're they're right up my alley. The design is not going to win any awards. I've said that before. It's not something completely, not the most creative collaboration or sneaker that I've seen, but the quality is very nice. Apart from this, the leather, the feel to it, the stitching, the weight to it, the silver pieces obviously are going to be great quality because they're from Tiffany, but I am happy with these sneakers, and now I just feel like, okay, I'm good. They're complete now, as they should have been, and yeah, I love them. I love them so much. Let me know if you shop this collection, if you have the sneakers, or if you purchased any of the silver pieces from the collection. These are the only things that I purchased from the silver pieces, from the accessories. I didn't get anything else. This is the only thing that I wanted because I felt like the sneakers needed it. But if you've purchased anything else, please let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what the quality was like, if you're happy with the quality, if you're happy with your pieces. If you have any questions or want to just share your thoughts, use that comment section below. You can also make a request for a future video or just say hi because you guys know that I love to hear from you. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.